Once upon a time, in the vast world of science, there was a great debate about the nature of light. Was it a particle? Was it a wave? This question stirred the minds of some of the greatest scientists in history. To understand their journey, let's begin at the very start, with Sir Isaac Newton.
I am Sir Isaac Newton, and I'm on Team Particle. I believe light is made of tiny particles I call corpuscles. Why? Because of my famous prism experiment. When I shine light through a prism, it splits into colors. This happens because tiny particles of light are bouncing and scattering.
Strong start, Newton, but not everyone agrees with you.
I am Christian Huygens, and I'm on Team Wave. I say light is like ripples in water, waves moving through space. My wave theory explains things like diffraction. That's when light bends around objects or spreads out through small openings. Waves can do that. Particles cannot.
Interesting, Huygens. But are waves really the whole story? Let's see what happens next.
I'm Thomas Young, and I'm also Team Wave. To prove it, I did the double-slit experiment. When I shined light through two tiny slits, it created an interference pattern. That means the light waves were overlapping, adding together in some places and cancelling out in others. This is only Wave do.
Wow, that's pretty convincing for Team Wave. But what about particles? Can they make a comeback?
I am James Clerk Maxwell, and I'm here to settle this. Light is an electromagnetic wave. My equations show that light is made of electric and magnetic fields working together. They travel as waves through space at the speed of light.
Impressive! Team Wave is crushing it. But wait, a challenger approaches.
I'm Albert Einstein, and I'm Team Particle. Let me explain the photoelectric effect. When light hits metal, it knocks out electrons. This can't happen if light is just a wave. But if light is made of tiny energy packets called photons, it makes perfect sense. So light must be particles.
Team Particle is back in the game. But is light a wave or is it a particle? Let's hear from our final guest.
Hello, I'm Niels Bohr, and I'm here to say, light is both a wave and a particle. Sometimes light behaves like a wave, and sometimes it acts like a particle. This is called wave-particle duality, and it's part of quantum mechanics. Light is both.
So what is light? A wave? A particle? The answer is yes. Light has a dual nature, and it's one of the coolest discoveries in science. Thanks to Newton, Huygens, Young, Maxwell, Einstein, and Bohr, we now understand light in all its glory. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the universe.